Welcome to the first episode of my wedding series. I honestly can't believe I'm saying that. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, you are also welcome. My name is Ayomide. I share beauty, fashion, lifestyle content. My wedding is happening soon and happening here in the United Kingdom. It's a special one. I'm going to be making my hair today because my pre-wedding shoot is tomorrow. Let me show you guys the hair I want to make. So I have two looks in mind. I'm going to be wearing a all black and a casual, which is brown. For some reason now I've been falling in love with brown burgundy. Like, my favorite color used to be pink, but I find myself buying burgundy brown. I don't know what the problem is, but that's what I've been finding myself buying these days. Which is why my photo shoot is gonna be in black and brown, like a dinner and casual wear. By the way guys, I am the event planner for my wedding. I am the stylist. I am the everything you could think of, but with the help of my friends have actually been really helpful. And honestly guys, event planning work is not easy. It's not easy, but me, I can work on that strength. If you want to plan your wedding, I can do it for you, because these vendors will drill you, they would choke you, but you just have to remain calm. Anyways, so I'm going to be doing like a ponytail kind of look. So I'm going to be using this hair. So all this frontal they do now, that I'm gonna go install it today, and they're gonna slick everything for me. Then I got these ponytail bundles. So the hair and the ponytail bundles is from my friend's friend. Her hair handle is Peace Beauty on Instagram. You could check her. She was the one that sent this to me from Nigeria. So this is what I'm going to be using. So my appointment is by 2. So today I'm going to be making my hair because the photo shoot is tomorrow, and I also need to make my nails and my hand nails, but I want all these press-on nails you can easily take off because of course I'm going to work. I can't wait to share this journey with you guys. You guys should stay tuned. I'm going to be showing you every bit of it. Hi my love, so I'm ready now. I'm on my way to the salon. Unfortunately I have to take a train because I really needed an hairstylist that can get this style, because I don't want any fuck up. So it's the necessity for me. So my train is by 12:36. It's currently 12:13 now. I think I still got some time. I'm going to carry you guys along. Let's see what they're gonna do to my hair. By the way guys, this is my hair. I really want to see the wonder this hairstylist is gonna perform to my hair, because my hair is currently short, although I've not combed it. This is what I'm telling you guys. I don't know what's wrong with my hair. My hair has been messing with me. It's been breaking, and I've been trying to see what to do. I don't know if I need to seek medical help. But yeah, this is what it's actually not bad though. My hair is actually not bad. At least it's getting longer. See, it's getting longer actually. It's just that it's not as long as what I wanted. So just gonna wear this face cap. Okay, this is gonna cover my shame. That's it too. I really want to see the magic she's going to perform. So it's just refreshments. I need to show them the wonder. Because even me, I'm surprised. But I think I'm getting the idea of what you want to do. So obviously, guess whose hair came out nice? Yeah? My hair. Who would have thought? This is so nice. You guys, if you want a contact, I'll connect you. Okay? See my hair. Let me show you the back so that you guys know that she did a good job. You can move forward, a little. Just move forward. Okay, let's go. And that's the end for today.